I will be buried. I will be buried. Hello everyone. So I've been just looking around and never be Koso and I just
Ebusianfo ma mo nyina akwaba eba Ghana Sem TVGH so let's like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded in Ebusianfo
I will be buried. I will be buried. Hello everyone. So I've been just looking around and never be Koso and I just want us to have a quick conversation here. I hope so be here. Adiachen kwande nyaminti bibia be okay. So we all campaigned for Kennedy Japan in the just ended internal elections on the 31st of January. Most of us were expecting him to win, but Manessa delegates chose Bawumia, which is normal. Election, the day will be buried, will be buried, and that is how it is like. You don't go into elections and say oh they're changing it and you're going to win, and that's how it is going to be. Nyame wadom na winia no afa orange so now call baby. Yes. Sabri there certain things happened. How it was extreme sometimes. Emma still now people are hurt. But obviously time heals into the end. Senyamia dumwa yenyina ebe helia. Me nya healing we. Me want to say them a helia we have not healed yet. Me heal completely, sir. I think it will take some time. But there is this thing going on na meaning say some people are saying say okay fine, they want to come up with the base. Fine, yes. That is what some of you have decided say bebuamu and you want to do it. But what I don't understand is why you people think that because we all campaigned for Kennedy Japan, we should all come and join the base, and it's a must. Like any time we'll be better now and say, oh, media, I am still for NPP, Now so we now some attack, Why should it be like that? Of course not. You have your interest, and everyone has theirs as well. Oh no, the reason why you choose to join the base, it is your reason. And it's not a group reason. People would not be thinking with your brain. I don't think with your brain, you don't think with my brain. So why do you think, say, because we all had a common goal, say, Kennedy Japan would be the flag bearer of the NPP? If it doesn't happen that way, we should all come and join the base. It can't happen like that. When I also join the base. Just do your thing. So be who say, oh, okay, the way things are going, you guys, the way I never see kono, like whatever you guys are doing, whatever you are coming up with, when we see, so okay, it's a good one and we'd want to join her, fine. But for you to think, say, just because say, oh, you're campaigning for Kennedy Japan, so we should join the base by default, it doesn't happen that way. Obi I want interest. Have you asked yourself, those people who came up with this, what's their interest? They all have interest. Interest in your pet. People will not think alike. And the fact that you join NPP time Allah ne film you be an film, even people who were with him in film call UP. Some of them are still in the NPP. And stop attacking people just because they have not joined the base. Like, do what you're doing. I don't have anything against it, and I'm not saying that you can't do it. Of course, everyone has the right to associate with whoever on whatever they want to, but you can't force it down on people. You just can't force it down on people. We had a common goal some time back. Doesn't mean it has to continue. Like, allow people to join by themselves. Allow people to see the need to join, not just force it down on people, attacking anybody who is not going to join the base. Hey, will be any interest though. You are fighting for your own interest. What interest are you fighting for? So why do you think say everyone should think like you? Why should you think say just because you have an interest and you want this, so everybody should? No, it doesn't happen that way. Please. Let's respect each other's opinions. Let's respect whatever other people choose to do. The choices of others is theirs and not yours. So people joining are fine. If the people do not join, fine. Just do your thing. Now like do things and make sure say whatever you are doing makes sense and people will join. Not to force it down on people. More attacking people just because they were for Kennedy Japan and have decided not to join the base. Stop it. It is not right. It is definitely not right. Freedom of association. Respect people's opinions. Everyone has a brain, so we need to respect it. Everyone cannot think like you. Everyone's interest cannot be like you. Please, let us respect each other. The base is fine. Please, make sure say we would respect ourselves. Your interest is not better than anybody. Your association is not better than anybody. You cannot think for anybody. Please. Okay? I love you all. We still love Kennedy Japan. In SUBia, we don't love him. And in SUBia, nobody's going to join the base. Or like that kind of attack Kennedy. It's not going to help anybody at this point. It is not. Allow people to use their brains. The brain is in the heads of everyone for a reason. You cannot sit at home and think that you would have to use somebody's brain for them. Be any interest. Follow your interest and then let others follow their interests too. My friend, what is it? Ghana Manthem, 69 years of independence.
Say appointment na yede man ye be bo krata nse hwe mampani atro e se Callistus tro ni pani din gu ase ne telephone number ni o da me ka se mampani the appointment na ma so obetimi delegate no say me the appointment we mount e bi atro but what you say it does happen hope I find out me nka so no na tro ye run the appointment but I'm saying say most of the human can be delegated to him since he is closer to him now atro na den krata ye den telephone number frɛ no afia krantoa adwuma pa TV so ayema ndisi fo nti yesi de wo kwa teacher adwuma no kwa atwa kwa abere nti ha ne de wo ko efi oni bedi betena bobo aba so because why adwuma mo manaboa unsama aka nyina ka mo wo metena wo chie ewura alanchemati wi wo nka bibia ne ma mo be ye 2028 efi anka bida na de tie campaign season ya de appointment na ma wo kitwa bia mka ho kitwa bia mka ya tro letter ni near the mawa eja the mawa eja the ni says that ya the letter no mawa you have two options either to decline or to accept the appointment letter it's ya the mawa near bia ehonye o field of course I understand we learn on the job there will be workshops there will be training but so when you expert on it ehonye o field sector ni nya o field that you can gladly Minu ya aduma kuba efi offer da bia mebo na baso okay lotteries o says the maho kwan to onye eti the appointment na ma no anya wo field no no a don't assume say mo kasa do beba masem no don't assume say ade na e dia ma no obetimi aye obetimi aka kire mampani ani diem me hwe football so bra na me football so kwa say bebre bai me guso a hwese GF be gira ba bi ketokure kuko gira ko board no ko tata ogusu chacha no ko board me ye football mu akunini be di football so much me sraw ade a afifi minim ho adwene bia ha we fifi a we de shefom na ye boma na paida ne beans ne yekoton minim ho nimde minim say his excellency ye wa tonto ma ni mama on ka so aka no kurenti ne bi on hwe ba bi mfa onye den ense but what mama kire na say but o koje dia
nti ho na aka na asem
but you around the abe because ye wo power no ah na o mo aban no opposition no run the power the penny paper to one or chile cocoa board adwuma it will shock you na ya no boni so bi wo ho ade bia meka sa ban we yen time wo no bi o twa sa no onim se chi aye den achia anamboa of course we journalist sa time no onye gospel na no bo fia no yen central it's what chire enema it's what chire na mama mpani wo say eh wo wura se de onim de na o kan na krata so se de onim de o de ato o kan na krata so o kan no internet so no adwuma de be de ma no obetimi aye ene ye ni sasa na chechira bo no bu say bam okoko meba last year okoko kwafo no ho ene o makwa kasa me pa chokoko afuom me kom na na o sekua e be show Wellington boot sebe aboatia bi kura huri nya dem meka wo bi a sansono aboatia sa wo no no oh so sansono bibi nyawo ama o say you free kom akọ ye kọ ni de nachi ye bokoko ni bi allergies means I have serious sinus and allergies ha me pa ni ade na yakọ afuo num ye quiet na se ya bo afuo kokọ aseba ile ni atawadi kokọ afuo ni abre last year tie o kokọ afuo ni abre wo kwa ya to office chair mo no run so wapa to office chair so se ne wo akwatena fuom age political suit ani braba o kase afia kase miracles ADB miracles coach t-shirt no share kuafo no atade ni bia yede aguso down to omo anti anya settings kuafo no atena se na ye around the so ne settings ne se kwa akọ no ono so the office chair ba akosi afuo num wo age the political suit no atena se ayesei na aka bibia no ayesei na afia chi katwitwi di abeda ho a kuafo ewo omonan na ye kan no da bia me kasem we eja sama machimota traffic or amana down me hu so mo ye kan no aban no te bibli house wo sanye mo na me na se na na eja nto aso no ma ya ka me ka se nkrata na nhihye ye mu ode nkrata bi ko mampani woni ade na waka se mampani wo wura ya dwuma yi mampani o se de ndis fo na ka se wo ka sa wote no enko bete randi abe mesira wada me to nkra me fanya afia me fanya awo na ade wa na be jame o yonko no mo kokko afo ye kwa ye mfa political scene emfa double breasted pocket enko eni atuafo o mani abrabo ko gyan ko tena se enko ko di nkomo de to so mienu one be release scan and sana CEO no aye ho adwuma ato a force ye kan ye boran me problem ne se enye ne field e de ma na onim se ne wontimi nya wote
oh anya no kre
se ne obetimi aweke on it that's fine on the business but sikari be free baby na ba be so na asene no no so etimi atua kokko akuafo aka e ka bi eda ho na akoba ko redi I suppose something I nim sena edaho and ye ton ye maybe go so many years ah me pato before the na mpapa so ye di o
no na obi ye bibi e ti sa
e je ya breso no ye ba no ye fo me ba obi ansa bibi na obi aja kokko ye ba ye
no fa ne se obi aja bibi
ye ba ye no ye fa ne se na obi aja bibi it was corrected pato tie ye ba ye no na ho french em say we ni wo and ye tena ase ye se ye ba ye aduma ye ba ye no na bibi nye ye correct ye Emma Coco and some economy because it was during our time and your farm or more pruni or more cocoa in your banning in form I buy more seed on bedria or more trouble near Diomoka. Wow, assassin no you better cocoa nego for my baby and for Framano so near Chiaco Pim say food cocoa no at the bar or Batama buying a new sika. These are some of the things that NPP are buying. We did for them cocoa for and now the story has changed. Of course, Selkas and the baby were and a cocoa board. Yera the double breasted ran yera radiabe e ba ye ne natana na chena mame de yin e ba ye no ohu se saade no ho problems wo ho no one can one say is it that or ne yera to force discuss ono kra de nkase bita fracture amanyo so ye so obe pani na e de ba so obe fa telephone afro wura no obe test no respond e kama say time bia no se bibi kra na aya ma obi o ya ma o man no ya ma party for na da bibi a etimi ko yie ma etu kra de o ne mampani ayonkofa no enka ben pa e ya de ben etu ba fra mampani me ba ya de se de na ebia se de ye kan afia kire mu ha se ne mo mampani me ba ade se de na abanda da na ja wo ho etimi free you to force na so be free auditors senior auditors and I said no more auditors or more audit near who can be down near solve bibia said him na sa small ba dia wo so say near dio ye ba ye no kasa said na bibi wo ho ye ba na bibi wo ho it was solved and ye to aso na ye abai bia man kwa ye be kasa fia ye ba ye anye YouTube ni akasa ya sesa ha nyina because ye morning show the newscasters be ma news
biti o kasa
Incrasive omuti Jubilee House hono. She said my Jubilee House quite time. Mustafa, send your request. Let's talk quickly and then let me call it a day and go and work. Wait, now send a request. Super so kasa, super so contribute TBA. Send a request and file na yen din common minko. Now say request be and was new audio. There's okay. Auntie Mami still wants to talk. Good. Mami Cynthia.
Papa bi.
Oh, long time no see. Diaboko.
Na say de me hu wache mum.
Yes, then I go so.
Me pacho the kind no first of all me chia opa. Nim say nyame adom hu ye.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, na me pese me hu baby a next celebration e course because time I course no na me busy nti no me saw me Facebook na me hu say mahama e hye fugu kasa but na me nim baby ko a e course nti me pese me hu baby a celebration
I'm here at Jubilee House. I'm here at Jubilee
ah
House.
nti ono ne de sese de hwa na obeye no ho
Sana okay. Sana patch.
ah okay because na me no for me no I think say time na Akufo-Addo all the call round no eno na nka e kama emma every regional capital bia to me enjoy so and that day no so no ebema saa regional no one so nipa e wo ho ana se mebu no se ne say yes ice water cra na wo beton pure water bia it will help them any biscuits meat pie any yogurt ni ade bi because eba saa na nkrofo ko ho na akwa digwa kakra.
Exactly.
But senior ono no we decide no me sure say the voice me sure pa say sa ade no na opese otwamu na ompese okoye wo baabia no ngaka say ade na na Akufo-Addo eye no ontoa so enu nti na we decide so no mfa nko baabia krobe o Jubilee House but wo mu say bia a service card to them no they might think say a saving them some money but also no say original na they feel the Independence Day what you say as a Ghanaian no they feel it. Enti we no nipa ebe feel no ye parliamentarians and those who have the accessibility to go there no woman na woman be hu the ayekoso but ordinary Ghanaian wouldn't feel it because minim say nipa bi obi wo Kumasi kro to me travel all the way to Accra na say what say be Koforidua obetimi travel all the way to Koforidua na etimi boost one so one day there but it can also boost them their economy.
Conjures a lot of magic make things happen but it looks like
ebetimi boost sa one day na ebetimi aboa ebi mo nso dwadie kakra nti no me for me no se nko to aso ye yanka kama say capitals no regional capitals na 16 nti nko beto aso afi baby ananado edu ye no ohu na nko no so ato aso afi na ye kama owie anu asan de aba besi Accra but we decide say onye nti no ono no kita tumi no nti no ope no onfanye se nyame ya adom na se NPP ba na se ofo se e ya ade a ebeboa wo mo betimi ato aso.
Yeah, mommy, a bit because when Akufo-Addo held it, our Volta region, I was part of the committee. They spending 5 million Ghana cedis and the program organization. After program, Ghana Statistical Services, coming up with a figure say the indigenous people region, Sika Yenya Festa celebration, it was around 25 million Ghana cedis, 5 times what we money invest here. And it makes no economic sense. Lucky in the independence celebration only in Jubilee House. Now the people who are
access, celebrate.
You get it.
Because the voice yes no okay eno na waka no say voter region wo mutimi nya sika say sa na nka this year so akọ region afofo wonim say bi mo because of this no so wo mutimpo say okay 6 March no is going to this region or is coming to this region. A lot of people no cry they will go ahead.
Yeah.
That day no obi betima for 3 days into ebema hotel say wo ho a benefit akọ lodge for some days.
2 weeks. 1 week before, 1 week after, that hotels need na yema. Who per reservation na
exactly. Wow, na yema. Nti it's another way of ebema obia nso so a benefit kakra. Afibia na we no manya kakra, afibia na we manya kakra. Nti there was a wo dwene ho na sa Jubilee House to kro nim na wo de kwhye no. Wonyi mfio na wonfa enko baby omo.
And I say na be say competition. Na reading bia per say also showcase your cultural values. And say Cape Coast for yen is a few years about what I was saying. Cape Coast for say a bit better, right? And it was beautiful. And then the other thing say, when say who when they were coming to do it in Hono, Akwambi Owa, because of the celebration, they did it from rough road to Muyeno, Kota, Esigata Nina, because of the 6 month celebration. And
Yes.
there was a deep thinking that went through that, and then NDC Faba, Wamba said, yeah.
Yeah, come up and now starting in Tamaleno. Look at the way at Tamale when any G, the way they were celebrating the thing. What I say, see, I think say was a one more yes, you
So, Master Musa, it's saying,
hello, brother. It is saying,
yeah,
me who
if I don't know, swear.
yeah, Boko. Let me say, I don't know whether we've met before, but the voter reach in every year registration and my members ID card, membership ID card. I don't know if you were there then. Now, McCaffrey was then the parliamentary candidate. Then McCaffrey. What's it? Wanya, McCaffrey Wanya.
It's only a original chairman.
Yeah, on a regular chairman. Yeah, the last time I came was when this guy won. Akufo-Addo won.
Oh, okay.
Now, maybe what I wanted.